Global commercial real estate markets built on their strong early 2018 performance as transactional volumes in the second quarter of 2018 reached $173 billion US. This brings H1 volumes to $341 billion, 13% higher than 2017 and the best first half performance since 2007. At the regional level, Asia Pacific maintained its outstanding performance with half-year volumes climbing by 29% to $81 billion US, their highest level on record. Robust activity in core European markets drove H1 volumes up by 9%. Similarly, activity in the Americas is up by 9%, with the US market underpinning growth. London regained its top spot in Q2, edging out New York by just $55 million US, due to sustained demand for offices by investors from Asia. Meanwhile, Hong Kong jumped up to become the third most liquid real estate market in the world, driven in large part by the $5.1 billion sale of The Center to a consortium of local investors in what is now the largest single asset transaction recorded globally. Cross-border capital flows stayed level in the second quarter, with 41% of all transactions involving either a foreign buyer or seller. Global funds were the largest net sellers of commercial real estate in the first half, as they actively exited from office, hotel, and retail investments in the US and UK. About a fifth of all sales by global funds went to Asian investors, even though political and regulatory scrutiny are continuing to dampen capital outflows from China. Investors from Hong Kong, Singapore, and South Korea have stepped in to provide liquidity, with a combined $11.1 billion US in acquisitions outside of Asia in the first half alone. About two-thirds of this capital has gone to Europe, with London emerging as the top destination, driven partly by rising currency hedging costs in the US. With over $57 billion US in investment over the first half of the year, industrial continues to be the most favored asset class globally. Boasting sturdy investment growth across all three regions, the sector has seen half-year transactional volumes rise at a compound annual growth rate of over 11% since 2014, the best performance of any sector. As we look ahead to the rest of the year, we expect global investment in commercial real estate in 2018 to match 2017 levels at around $715 billion US.